I request Mrs. Jaya Avasthi and Mrs. Smita Negi to please be on the stage along with our respected dignitaries to honor our students. By the time class 4 students are being honored, I request Mrs. Rakhi Verma and Mrs. Varsha Tiwari to please be on the stage to facilitate the students of classes 5 and 6. Now we move on to class 4, the position holders, Abhipriya Divedi for
It's a movement that celebrates unity in diversity, the all-religion prayer. India is a land of many faiths, cultures and traditions, yet at the heart of every religion lies the same message: peace, compassion, love and harmony. Of a divine journey filled with positivity and enlightenment.
सतनाम कै बंदिया वाहेगुरु कै सतनाम सत blue all around, so many places where blue is.
The safety of our country does not depend only on land or sky. It depends on shared courage, shared determination, and shared sacrifice. Colonel Sophia Qureshi, Wing Commander Vyomika Singh. Operation Sindoor is a mission to protect India's honor and peace.
Sir, the Indian Army is ready. In every step we take, the nation comes first. This mission is not just about war. It is about protecting the dignity and hope of the mothers who wait for their brave soldiers.
Sir, the Indian Air Force will keep our skies safe. As long as we are in the air, the country is secure. The Army protects the land and the Air Force protects the sky. When we work together, the enemy becomes weak.
Today, the daughters of India are not only reading history, they are creating history. Remember this. This operation is for peace, but carried out with bravery.
Sir, we fight so that tomorrow's children can live in peace. This uniform is not just who we are, it is our responsibility.
The mission is clear, sir. We are ready to answer any threat against India. Jai Hind.
This is Ajit Doval, India's National Security Advisor. With wisdom, intelligence, and strategy, he helps protect the nation from every threat.
Our strength is not only in weapons, but in planning, unity, and courage. Operation Sindoor must protect our country while keeping the dream of peace alive. Together, our soldiers, air warriors, and leaders will ensure that India stands safe and strong.
Sir, our forces are ready. Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh will lead this mission with bravery and discipline.
Sir, the Indian Army stands prepared. Every soldier is ready to defend our motherland.
The Indian Air Force will guard the skies. Together, we will protect our nation.
Remember, the purpose of every mission is not only victory, but peace. Stand united, stay fearless, and protect India with pride.
Let Operation Sindoor begin.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Colonel Sophia leads with strength on land. Wing Commander Vyomika protects from the sky. Together they show women are powerful, women are leaders.
एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन की सलामी दे.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी. जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो, मान को ना छूने दूंगी.
Singh of the Indian Air Force. She guards our sky and leads with wisdom and strength.
When I wear this uniform, I carry not just wings on my shoulders, but the trust of my country. Courage means I'm proud to be an Indian Air Force officer, where discipline, dedication, and devotion guide every mission. From the ground to the sky, one spirit binds us. Service before self.
अपना है दिल ये साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो. गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो.
India's part, from the land to the sky, from sons to daughters. India stands strong, fearless, and united. Jai Hind!
To be cherished forever and ever and ever. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Can we salute to our nation? Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Vande! 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 And that's the Kodak moment you will cherish, we will cherish, all of us will cherish through our lives. Thank you. Feeling. Being awarded on the stage by the Honorable Chief Guest, by the manager of City Montessori School, as well as the principal of the school. That is a proud, cherishable moment to be cherished for future. I congratulate all the All-Rounder of the Year awards. By the time class 4 students are being honored, I request Mrs. Rakhi Varman. By the time class 4 students are being honored, I request Mrs. Rakhi Varman. Being awarded on the stage by the Honorable Chief Guest, by the manager of City Montessori School, as well as the principal of the school. By the time class 4 students are being honored, I request Mrs. Rakhi Varman.